Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Clouds. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Today's going to be a camera. It's going to be a GoPro Lite camera, but on the budget. I went on Amazon looking for something that was outdoorsy, compact, good for the deal, hopefully a great quality. So I went and picked up this, the Letscom. The Letscom Ultra 4K. It's 40 bucks. We'll put that to the test, see how that does. Okay guys, it's time to take a look at what's inside of the packaging. Alright. Letscom 4K. So, open this bad boy up. Right off the rip. See here. 1 year free warranty. Instruction booklet, flick that to the side. Alright. Box of accessories. And the item we all are looking at, the Letscom. Alright, it comes shipped in the waterproof housing. It's pretty cool. It's a nice look aesthetically, you know. I'll set that to the side here. It comes with 2 batteries, okay. Charge one up, have one ready for when it dies. Alright, not bad, you know. Getting an extra battery is actually always worth it, man. For $40, can't really go wrong with that. So let's take a look. We got an extra back door. We got handle mounts. Alright, I don't know the name of all these mounts. We got 1, 2, 3. Those are wires. We got the micro USB charger wire, some cleaning cloth, some pads, I don't know. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and some straps, 11. Alright, so looks like you get like bike mounts, you get some helmet mounts, some straps. This is the bad boy right here. The Letscom 4K. But let's bust this open. Alright. It's lightweight. That's the whole unit right there. Waterproof. Let's see. You got the mode button, volume, the HD out, the micro USB, and the micro SD card. This is like a 2.5 viewing screen. And the OK button. The battery goes in on the bottom. A little fingernail latch right there. Boom. Just pop one of these in. Alright. Do we have power, guys? That is the question. I mean, what do you think? Let me know down below in the comments if you think this is or what do you think is good quality? Have you played with something like this? Do you have an idea or a recommendation for something similar? It turns on, says Letscom. Alright. Brings you through. Cycle through the motion, the menu options. Like that. But yeah, we're gonna take a look at this, see how it goes. It's lightweight. I mean, I already played with it a little bit, so.
So this is the 4K 30 frames per second. I don't know, it looks really choppy on screen, but apparently it's supposed to look really good on, well, that's what we're testing. So like on screen, on recording, in the 4K, this is not a grade A screen, it's just more of a viewfinder. Alright, this is the test of the same type of video, 2.7K, 30 frames per second. So like the lower the resolution, the better it looks on this monitor, but again, that's just because the monitor itself is not a grade A monitor. But it looks better in viewing at least. Alright, this is a test of the 1080p, 60 frames per second. I'm really hoping the color, saturation and all of that comes out well. You know what I'm saying?
What did I just tell you?
I haven't tested if it can zoom while recording. Oh,
Yeah, but
okay.
you don't snatch it out of people's
That's
hands.
into 1.5. Bring it back.
You wait until the other person is done.
One of the things I noticed, the 4K, not 4K. Almost all of the HD settings are not coming off exactly how they look. The 4K isn't quite as 4K. The 1080p is not quite as crisp as it should be. The audio quality, you can hear, but it's trash. It's garbage. It picks it up. But as a security cam, it's probably the best option I can recommend it for $40. It's really not that bad. All right, look, what can I say? For $40, is it a great purchase? To be determined. If you're giving it as a gift to someone to have fun with, sure, it's not bad. To do any advanced recording or blogging or vlogging or anything like that, you might want to go a little bit better quality. I have to say, for $40, you get a lot of accessories. You get an extra battery and a waterproof case. $40 is not a bad price for a 4K camera. However, if you're trying to vlog or do anything really cool with this, it's not really to go. But for $40, you can't complain. I'm not bad at it at all. One of the cool things I haven't been able to show you is that it does have Wi-Fi, so it does work as a webcam. Maybe I can grab some footage of that, show you that also. But for $40, goodbye, can't complain. Catch y'all on the next one. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. That was the review of the Amazon Letscom 4K HD Action Cam. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Got any suggestions, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.